All right, this application, or actually this is going to be more so of a program because I'm not using the J option pane this time. This is called present value. We are to create a program that calculates the future value of an account based upon interest growth on the present value, and the purpose is to practice using methods in passing data. Okay, so I'll play it for you. All right, so it asks, how much money do you want to save? I'll say $10,000. What is the bank's interest percentage rate? And I'll say 2%. How many years do you plan to accumulate the savings? I'll say 10. All right, and then it just outputs that you would need to deposit $8,203.48 today to achieve that goal. All right, so let me show you how it's calculating this by passing data. Okay, there is a more simpler way to do this, but for the purpose of passing data, which is the purpose of this example, it's going to be a little bit more complicated, but it's pretty simple once you get the hang of it. So in the main class, we have our main class here, and then we also have a static double right here. It's a method called present value. This present value method is calculating what the user is inputting. Okay, so I'm going to start down below in the main. We have our variables up here at the top. Well, 3 variables, and then calling the scanner keyboard because we have that up top as an import. Okay, so going back down here, the program is asking the user, system.out.println, how much money do you want to save? It's scanning that keyboard as a double because this user future value, whatever the user is entered in here, we have the data type listed as a double. Okay. Second question, what is the bank's interest rate percentage? It's being held in the user interest rate variable. How many years do you plan to accumulate savings? It's being held in the user num years variable. Okay, and then it outputs the calculation. So basically it's doing system.out.printf to format. You would need to deposit blank amount of money today to achieve your goal. And it's calculating that blank amount of money here. This, well, actually it's percent comma dot 2f. And it's pulling this method right here, method present value. It's taking the user future value, what they entered, user interest rate, what they entered, user number of years, what they entered, and it's passing it to our present value method and replacing it into the parameters up here at the top in the parentheses, which we have listed as future value, annual interest rate, number of years. Okay, and it's specifically doing that calculation right here within the method. Okay, so that's pretty much this. I'll play it for you one more time. How much money do you want to save? I'll say $5,000. What is the bank's interest rate percentage? I'll say 4%. How many years do you plan to save this? I'll say 3 years. So if you want $5,000 in that 3 years, you would need to deposit $4,444.98 today to achieve that goal. All right, so that is the present value app. Well, I should say program. And if you have any questions, feel free to let me know, but I hope you have a great day.